Welcome to SAT Climb. On weekends, she enjoys hiking, swimming, and to bike. Hiking, swimming, biking, or hiking, swimming to bike, most students never notice the list quietly changed shape. But the digital SAT is testing one thing: every item in a list has to wear the same grammatical form. Nail that one habit, and these questions turn automatic. Here's the whole method. Every item in a list, a pair, or a comparison must share one grammatical form. Two forms trip students up the most. First, the gerund, the ing shape, hiking, running, being. Second, the infinitive, the to plus verb shape, to hike, to run, to be. Line the items up on one rail. The first item sets the form, and every slot after it has to match. Don't pick by sound. Find the form the list already uses, then match it. Back to our sentence. On weekends, she enjoys hiking, swimming, and to bike. Find the form the list set. Hiking is a gerund, the ing shape. Swimming is a gerund too. Two items, one form. Then comes to bike, an infinitive. That breaks the rail. The same short list is suddenly wearing two different shapes, and the SAT wants them identical. The minimal fix is to match what's already there. Two gerunds are set, so the third becomes a gerund, biking. Hiking, swimming, and biking. One list, one shape, done. Parallelism also controls correlative pairs, the two-part connectors. Not only, but also, both, and, either, or. Whatever structure follows the first half has to be mirrored after the second. Look at this. The policy was praised not only by teachers, but also parents applauded it. After not only, we get by teachers, a simple prepositional phrase. But after but also, we get a whole clause, parents applauded it. The two sides don't match. Mirror it instead, not only by teachers, but also by parents. Two matching by phrases, same shape on both halves. Your turn. The coach reminded the team to arrive early, to stretch fully, and blank. Look at what the list already said. To arrive, to stretch. Both are infinitives, the to plus verb shape. So the missing item has to be an infinitive too. Option A, hydrating often, is a gerund, the wrong shape, so it breaks the pattern. Option B, to hydrate often, is an infinitive that matches the two before it. The answer is B, two infinitives set the form, so the third is an infinitive. Three traps. 1. Mixing a gerund and an infinitive in the same list. If two items are ing, the third is ing too. 2. Correlative sides that don't mirror. After not only comes a by phrase, so after but also, use a by phrase, not a whole new clause. 3. Comparisons of unlike things. Her writing is stronger than her brother compares writing to a person. Make it her brother's, so you compare writing to writing. Every trap is the same idea. Match the form. Parallel structure, solved. Find the form the list already uses, then make every item match it. Correlative pairs mirror on both halves, and comparisons compare like with like. Master this, and you'll catch points most students hand away. Start practicing free at satclimb.com. Keep climbing.